how to get student discount on Amazon Prime. What you want to do is load up your browser on your phone or PC, doesn't matter, and just go search for Amazon Prime student discount. Now, once you have this search query entered, if we scroll down a little bit, you should see Amazon Prime student and the official website, so amazon.com. Click on this link here, and it's going to show us included with Prime Young Adults, Prime Delivery, Prime Video, early access to deals, and all of these pros here that we get with it. So you want to scroll all the way down until you see Try Prime Student for free, cancel anytime, start your 6-month trial. If we click on this orange button, it's going to either ask us to create a new account or sign in if we already have an Amazon account. So here you can just enter your details, go through the process of the account verification and creation, and this is going to automatically give you the 6-month free trial. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.